Tired of random FPS boost applications that barely work? If you want real FPS gains and crazy low input delay, RoninTweaks Ultimate is the perfect app for you. This is the best application to fully optimize your PC for gaming with just a few clicks, and the results are shocking. In this video today guys, I'm going to be showcasing the RoninTweaks Ultimate, including how to install the application, its features, and much more. So if you do not already know, RoninTweaks Ultimate has been in development for a couple of months now, and just this week it was finally released. To get the Ultimate version, you want to head over to RoninTweaks.com and you want to press on the Get Ultimate right here. They also do offer a free version, and the RoninTweaks Ultimate comes in at the price of only $20. Alright guys, so once you purchase the Ultimate version, the system is automatically going to email you the activation code, so you just want to go ahead and sign in with Google. You want to go ahead and sign in with your account, press on continue, and you want to go ahead and put in your activation code to access the dashboard. Alright, once you access the dashboard, as you guys can see, this is how it looks like. Obviously, you can add on the BIOS tuner if you want. I'm going to get into that in just a second. Anyways, you want to go ahead and download the RoninTweaks Ultimate installer and the license file, so go ahead and download both. Then you want to go ahead and open the RoninTweaks installer, and then you want to go ahead and put in your license file, so I'm just going to go ahead and do that. Next, install. And as you guys can see, the RoninTweaks Ultimate is going to install. And right now I'm going to be showcasing everything you need to know and all the tweaks and the features that are available in the RoninTweaks Ultimate. Alright, as you guys can see, the RoninTweaks Ultimate is running right now. This is actually the beta version, so not everything is finalized yet. Welcome to RoninTweaks Ultimate. Thank you for choosing RoninTweaks Ultimate. You've made the best choice for your PC's optimization. You want to go ahead and read the terms of service and you want to get started. And as you guys can see, this is how the homepage looks like. You have lots of information neatly organized. So right here, you have your processes. As you guys can see, you have your threads and you have your live ping. You also have your hardware specifications right here. And you have your performance monitors like your CPU usage, your network activity, your memory usage, and your GPU usage. Anyways, for the tweaks right here, you have lots of different tabs. So as you guys can see, you have some system tweaks, which includes all of these different tweaks. As you guys can see, you have some gaming tweaks, which also include lots of tweaks, input delay tweaks, CPU tweaks, and as you guys can see, you can basically go ahead and select your CPU's manufacturer. So for me, it's going to be Intel. And this is basically going to give me some Intel specific tweaks specified for Intel CPUs. You have some GPU tweaks as well. And here as well, you have NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel. I have NVIDIA. And here it's going to give you some NVIDIA GPU tweaks. You have some peripheral tweaks, including controller, keyboard, and mouse tweaks. And you also have some network tweaks, of course, that are going to fully optimize your network in order to get better ping. And you have some power tweaks. All of these tweaks are very good to optimize your PC and to reduce your input delay and boost your FPS. Especially the CPU tweaks, as majority of games nowadays are CPU based, like Fortnite. So these CPU tweaks are gonna help you improve your input delay and boost your FPS a lot, as well as the input delay tweaks, of course. Alright guys, now here you have a script builder. Now what this basically is, this is basically if you want to build a script based on some tweaks you want. So let's say you want these tweaks, you want to go ahead and apply them, and you want to click on export script to give them to another person so they can import it. Or you can go ahead and head over to the tweaks section, and instead of applying all of these tweaks manually, you want to go ahead and ask RoninTweaks' support for a script specifically for your specifications. So what you're basically going to do is you're going to give RoninTweaks' support your specifications, so your CPU, your GPU, and much more. Basically tell them, for instance, I have an iCore i7 and a GTX 1660 Ti. Then they're going to give you a custom script only for you. So you want to go ahead and import this script. As you guys can see, they already gave me a script. Press on open, and as you guys can see, this is the script that they gave me. These are the tweaks I have to apply based on the script they gave me, because this is going to be the best script based on my specifications. So you want to go ahead and apply the tweaks in the script. Or if you want to go ahead and build a script for somebody else, just go ahead and select all of these tweaks and press on export clip and press on export script. Now here you have a BIOS tuner. What this basically is, this is, by the way, this is an add-on, but the BIOS tuner is basically pretty self-explanatory. It's basically going to tune your BIOS settings from this utility itself. Then you have the game boosters. This is a very nice feature. So as you guys can see, you have Fortnite. You can go ahead and apply Fortnite. This is basically going to boost your game. It's going to optimize CPU priority, disable full screen optimizations, and do some other tweaks to boost your performance in that game. let's say Valorant for instance. I'm gonna go ahead and do that as well. Then you have the debloaters. So if you want to get rid of the junk in your PC, you want to go ahead and apply the tweaks. You want to go ahead and apply the settings based on what you want to do. And here you have the backups. So if you want to create a system restore point, you can go ahead and do that. So you can go ahead and create a system restore point. But anyways, I think the best thing to do is to go ahead and import a script. Basically just ask for a custom script for your specifications and just import that script and basically apply the tweaks accordingly instead of just going ahead and applying 107 tweaks manually. And that is it for today's video, guys. If you enjoyed, make sure you drop a like, share, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you next video.